What's the meaning of backyard? Backyard. Backyard.
Backyard. Backyard. The term backyard generally refers to the area behind a house or other building. This area is typically used for outdoor activities such as gardening, barbecuing, and leisurely relaxation. The term can also be used metaphorically to refer to a person's private or personal affairs, often with the connotation of these affairs being less important or significant than those that are public or visible. In this sense, one's backyard may refer to their personal life, relationships, or issues that they would rather keep hidden from public view. Overall, the term backyard is associated with a sense of privacy, relaxation, and personal space.